In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates to optimize and streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing projects, organizing events, or tracking tasks, Smartsheet has an array of templates that can cater to your diverse needs. Let's dive right in and explore how you can leverage these templates to maximize your productivity. To begin, you'll want to start by opening Smartsheet. Once you're in, look for the Create option. This is usually represented by a plus icon, and you'll find it either in the left-hand sidebar or within the top navigation panel of your screen. Clicking this icon is your gateway to Smartsheet's template gallery. In the template gallery, you will encounter a wide variety of templates specifically designed for different purposes. It's an excellent resource to explore if you're working on various projects or managing distinct types of workflows. As you browse through the template options, you'll notice templates for projects, which can help you maintain schedules and set milestones. Event planning templates are available as well, perfect for organizing every detail efficiently and not missing any crucial elements. For those who need to keep a list of tasks, the task trackers are incredibly useful, ensuring you stay on top of your responsibilities and deadlines. If your needs are more specialized or visual, you might find forms and dashboards templates that can help collect information or display data in visually engaging formats. As you're exploring, take your time to really think about your specific needs and the goals you wish to achieve. One of the best parts about using templates is that they provide a structured starting point, which means you don't have to start from scratch. Think of it like a toolkit or checklist that guides you while still leaving room for customization. Once you've found a template that seems to fit your purpose, click on it to review its outline and framework. This will allow you to see how it's structured and ensure it aligns with your objectives. If it looks like a good match, you can go ahead and select it to create a new sheet based on the template. From there, you have the flexibility to customize fields, rename sections, and adjust settings to better suit your individual needs. Remember, these templates are designed to be a jumping-off point, so don't hesitate to make them your own. In this tutorial, my goal was to familiarize you with how easy it is to use Smartsheet templates to jumpstart any of your projects or plans. With these templates, you're not just saving time, you're also ensuring consistency and accuracy across your tasks and projects. Thank you for joining me in this guide today, and I hope you feel more empowered to use Smartsheet's templates to make your work more efficient and organized. Until next time, happy planning!